Well, we're just mowing the lawn, and we lost drive, and I'm pretty sure it's just the drive belt resides under there. It's always something broken, right? Oh, look at that. Belt just kind of jumped the pulley. Maybe because of all that crap there. That saves me buying a belt. Okay, we poked around with a wooden stick. Gotten quite a bit of it, but I'm gonna bring it over to the hose it off. I just got the hose done. I got swarmed by a few bees and then they just took off. Unlucky. I'm not quite sure where they were, building a nest there or something. Yikes. Well, I believe that was it. I just had to give the belt a tug. Well, the pulley seemed to be smooth. Just a buildup of crap, grass and stuff. No, it looks good. All fixed.